Hello. Okay, we're starting in about 10 minutes, so if you don't have your name tag, go to the table.
Are you playing for us?
Oh my gosh. Doom.
Oh, really? A dream? Dang. Well, it's still here.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. What's he gonna say? Oh my gosh.
Hi, what's your name? Brandon.
I'm Alvin. I'm from Lighthouse.
I'm Kelsey. I'm from FBC.
I'm George. I go to Cornerstone. I'm Chris. I also go to Cornerstone. 1 set to 15. So it's gonna be short because we're gonna play a lot of rounds today. And cap at 21.
21.
And after the game, one of the team members from each team should.
Hey. I beat this once, and the time I had
Flew in my face.
there's a plastic place called Monaco.
Look at this filthy coding monkey.
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Hire him.
Microsoft.
Hire him.
Hey.
Microsoft. We're all Microsoft.
Oh, Microsoft. Soon. Soon. Not me. Oh, look at him. Oh, highlight. Highlight reel. Oh, Darren.
Darren's flying out there.
That's not what I wanted.
Bro, that went straight down, bro.
Still looks bad. Don't just delete. Cut.
Yeah, we can like redo it.
I got that on video, Farah.
The water is inside them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry.
This is twice the weight.
How's it going?
Well, got our first dub. First dub.
Woo!
Day's just started, you know? That was... that may have been our last pool game.
Yo, 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 yo. Oh, yeah, I know it. Oh. Let's go, Russell. Yeah.
Did you guys win or 0-21. I love the rain.
8 points.
17 points. Or just
Team 2. On net 2, we have Team 4 versus Team 8.
Say that again?
He should pay you. No? Oh, dude. We're not going to play each other unless we get to it.
Winners! First seeders! Woo! Hey, what do you think of the snack mix we got here?
Goated.
Goated?
Goated.
I would have to agree.
You should pay her.
You heard it here.
Oh look, they're doing a little speech. They're so cute.
All right, team one on three. 1, 2, 3. Team one!
Woo! I guess it's lunchtime.
What a nice bracket, George. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.
Eric.
Catch up. Whose idea was this?
Hey, we should catch up.
Christopher Chung.
Catch up, man. Catch up.
His feet's a
Oh.
You should pay your other content collector.
Oh, no pressure, Caleb.
If you guys are playing in fours and your teammates aren't here yet, tell them to come by 2 p.m. After that, we'll have gold bracket finals on court 3 over there. It's team 3 and team 6.
Thank you.
Woo! Finals! Woo!
Follow Alvin Xiong on YouTube. Tell me.
Sights and sounds.
Tell me. Oh.
For our money, we were scared, but then Farah's pink shirt scared him off away.
Actually, yeah, terrifying.
That was good.
Oh. Oh, big Jason. Run, Lanchi, run. Oh, never mind. He's got it. Of course. Gudetama. The lazy egg. Barefoot. Yes. Sandwich.
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 Another winner of Team 7. Woo! Ryan Wong. Barefoot. We got Alvin.
Precision.
Not barefoot. Precision.
Dude, it's really hard to get good shots because like the net's in the way.
Oh. The momentum.
Yeah.
Not C1. Whoever was C4. Yeah, C4 won 17-15.
I'm C3. I got it. You got it.
Woo!
Hi, Chelsea.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Let's go, Hunter. You got it.
Last time on volunteer.
Honestly.
Caleb.
Dude, my team's waiting for me. I'm not trying to eat this organ.
Oh, Eric. Oh, let's go, Kevin.
Dude, all right, I rushed over here.
Yeah?
And half my team wasn't even ready.
But let's see it.
All right, one.
Hey, yes, sir. Let's go.
Let's go.
I hate this game.
Nice pass.
Nice.
Mine. Let's go. Did you touch it? Mine.
You're getting such good content.
Such good content.
Such great content.
Great set. Great hit. Ooh, good pass. Good up. Oh, Russell was a monster. Oh, good up. It's happening. They're using the
Content. Yes. Him.
my bad.
Yeah.
There you go. Push. You got it. Hey, it gets serious. Push. Ah, there. Good swing.
Oh my god. Yes. I just shoulder, dude. Wow. Sniped.
You guys off right now too?
Yeah.
Here. George. Tip.
Over. Easy. Ah! Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Oh, no.
Good.
What'd you think about that point, Jason?
Get the action shot.
Yeah.
Save here.
Yeah.
Nice one hand set by George.
Sheesh. Oh, Princeton, no.
I feel like game's kind of close to it.
On the floor.
Michael, did you win?
In.
Oh, help!
We're unfortunately.
Nice, Russell. Oh no, I don't want to see that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pepper, anyone want a pepper?
I'm
I salt?
tired. I'm losing it. Finals time.
Zeros.
Oh no.
Come on. You got it. Coming.
Give him the line.
Gives you a lot of options.
Go.
George.
You got it. Coming.
In.
Oh! Come on.
Yeah, easy.
Oh, clear.
Gosh, I'm gonna slap.
You're good.
Come
on. Over. You're good. Yeah. Let's go.
God damn it.
Break.
Oh, yeah, baby. Easy, Robert, I believe.
Oh,
3.
No. Oh.
Thank you. 4.
Your ball.
Yeah.
You're good, clear.
Roll 3.
Oh.
I widened the block. It went. Not locking. It went.
Good.
Alvin. Yeah.
Clear.
You okay?
Oh my God.
Good.
Go on!
Oh.
You're good.
I'm here.
Swing.
Nice.
Good.
Short.
Ryan.
Short.
Actually, I have.
Oh! That's a touch.
Big block.
Over.
Good, Alvin.
Yeah, you're good.
Go, Chris.
Oh, go.
Safety first.
Good.
Oh, good. You're good, George.
Hit it.
Yay! Great. You okay? Angle.
Roll!
Good.
Sorry, my fault. Roll. Yeah. George.
You're good. Clear.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Not clear.
Go, Chris.
Hey.
Sorry.
Yeah.
All 3 of you like looked back at the same time.
Let's go.
Do it again.
Trying to be sneak. 7, 8.
9-0.
Oh, 9-0.
7, 8.
Oh, my bad.
Playing a different game.
All right, 9-0. Clear.
Oh.
It's okay.
Come the camera.
It's okay.
Get up.
You're good. Great touch.
3.
4-3. Service.
Good.
No, the one time.
Good job. All anywhere.
I don't know.
In.
It's so embarrassing.
Roll.
Come on.
Hey!
I'm shuffling. 3?
Don't be scared.
No.
Wait. That's not it. It's 4-1. It's 4-1.
There you go.
6-1?
Yeah. Oh wait, George, you're shooting.
What's the?
Yeah, I don't want him to die.
Oh, you're far.
Deep.
Oh, come on. No.
Dude, do your whatever these called hurt when you like
My quads? They do be cramping.
He's been blocking like every point.
Come on, come on. Yeah, push. Easy.
Inside.
Oh, he's good, he's good. No. He's not. Oh, you're there.
He's flying.
Every year they say that. Roll. Oh, come on.
Coming.
Easy.
Go.
Angle.
Shots,
Come on.
Hey, George.
Yeah, there.
Over.
Yeah, one more.
One more.
Clear.
Yes.
Roll.
Next one, you're good.
Nice. You got it? Short. Yeah. You go.
Roll.
Short.
I'm there.
Watch over.
I'm here.
Good.
Roll.
High ball. Ooh, you got time. Clear.
Chipping.
Good.
Okay. You got me.
Careful.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh no.
Come on.
Dang, I could have blocked that.
Come on.
Watch.
You're good. One block, small block.
You got it?
Yes.
Touch. Come on.
You got me.
You go.
Go. Yes. Go. Right. Oh, you're in.
Touch. Go. Yeah.
Watch over.
It's the Allbirds.
It's the Allbirds.
Take him off, George.
Take the dogs out for the finals.
Yeah, show me.
Come on. Oh, right here. You got me. One.
Yeah, so good.
Oh, yeah, bang out, dude. You're good. Clear.
Oh my god.
No.
Yeah.
Right here.
Clear.
Yes.
Oh, right, you got it.
Careful.
Hi. Sorry.
George.
You got it. Come on, George.
I hate this.
It's good.
Set him.
I'm getting it.
Line.
Short. Nice.
Yeah. Hey, George.
Watch over.
Clear.
No! I'm so sorry, George.
I mean, we barely used it. Damn it.
Wait, can we take
That's why you stayed. Yeah. Concluded, George. Like, comment, subscribe to @MumuCow Timmy for some more content.